How to dissolve an LLC in Massachusetts. Dissolving an LLC in Massachusetts involves a series of important steps to ensure compliance with the state regulations. This guide outlines the essential steps to effectively close your LLC and protect your interests throughout the process. Step 1. Review your LLC's operating agreement. Before initiating the dissolution process, it's essential to review your LLC operating agreement and articles of organization. These documents often contain specific procedures for dissolution, including the required voting threshold and notice periods. Understanding these provisions ensures compliance with your internal rules and helps facilitate a smooth dissolution process, minimizing potential disputes among members. Vote to dissolve the LLC. Once you've reviewed the necessary documents, convene a meeting of the LLC members to discuss and vote on the dissolution. It's crucial to follow any notice requirements outlined in your operating agreement to ensure all members are informed. Document the meeting minutes clearly, noting the outcome of the votes, as the record will be important for legal and administrative purposes. Settle debts and liabilities. Before proceeding with a formal dissolution, settle all outstanding debts and liabilities of the LLC. This includes paying off creditors and resolving any financial obligations. Addressing these issues is vital to prevent future claims against the LLC or its members. Ensuring that all financial matters are settled will facilitate a smoother dissolution process and protect individual members from personal liability. File a Certificate of Cancellation or Dissolution. To dissolve your LLC in Massachusetts, you must file a Certificate of Cancellation with the Secretary of the Commonwealth. This document should include the LLC's name, the date of dissolution, and the reason for dissolution, along with any other relevant information. The filing requires a fee of $100, which can be paid via check or through online submission. This step is crucial for formally completing the dissolution process. Distribute remaining assets. Once all debts have been settled and formal dissolution is filed, proceed to distribute any remaining assets among the LLC members. This distribution should follow the guidelines outlined in your operating agreement or comply with state law if no specific terms exist. Properly handling asset distribution helps prevent disputes among members and ensures a fair resolution of remaining resources. Notify creditors and members. Finally, it's important to notify all creditors and members about the dissolution of the LLC. Send copies of the dissolution documentation via certified mail to ensure they receive official notice. This communication not only fulfills legal obligations but also helps maintain transparency among stakeholders, reducing potential misunderstandings or disputes regarding the status of the business after its dissolution. Successfully dissolving your LLC in Massachusetts requires careful attention to detail and adherence to legal procedure. By following the outlined steps, you can ensure a smooth and compliant closure of your business, protecting both your interest and those of your members. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.